Hi guys, I'm Abhinav. This is my Triumph Tiger 1200 that I very recently picked up, and I am at Speed Monks Performance Center, but this time this is not the Speed Monks in Gurgaon. Speed Monks have opened a new center in Mayapuri, Delhi. That's Atul over here catching a smoke break. So Atul is going to work on my motorcycle today. We are going to install this exhaust. This is an Arrow exhaust that comes as an option by Triumph for this motorcycle. I'll show you the factory exhaust. This is a big unit. The Arrow is almost the same size, but it's slightly lighter. It's not a lot louder than the stock exhaust. So that's the reason why I went for it, because ultimately this is a touring motorcycle. I do not want a loud exhaust on the bike. So I'll ask Atul to quickly turn the motorcycle on and let you guys hear the stock exhaust sound. You can finish your smoke, it's okay. I'll start it. But clutch kaise dabaunga? We're gonna start it. So the stock motorcycle sounds beautiful. Really, you don't need to put an exhaust on this motorcycle. I am doing so because it looks nicer. I'm gonna not give you any bull about it. It's a nicer looking thing. It makes you feel nice that you've got some bling factor on the motorcycle. So that's about it. Otherwise, I love the stock sound. And Atul, what do you think about the stock sound?
It looks nice.
Nice, no?
It sounds nice.
You don't need anything louder than that on such a motorcycle.
No, for a touring bike you never do.
Definitely. So this is the exhaust. I carried it on the Tiger itself. I had it tied down with bungee cords. I'm not really good with unboxing anything, but is there a knife here? So this is the carbon fiber clamp.
Yep.
This is the clamp of the exhaust. Looks beautiful. It practically weighs nothing, just nothing. And this is the exhaust. It's a big unit. It's a slip-on. I had opened it earlier, so it has some smudge marks on it right now. So we'll probably just wipe it, but it has a carbon fiber tip. Does it have a baffle? A DB killer?
Yeah, but no, not really.
No?
No,
Okay.
it's not even if it would have been, it wouldn't have been removable. Nowadays, they're pretty strict on it.
Okay. So this is the exhaust. Atul, how much does it weigh? Any idea? It's very light, no? 3 kilos?
Yeah, 2 kgs.
Maybe 2.5 kilos. We don't have a weighing scale over here, otherwise we would have told you. Now the bike is still hot, the engine, the exhaust is not that hot anymore. So we will take this off. So he's putting some rust off on the bolts which clamp down the exhaust pipe. So basically this exhaust is 2 bolts only. One over here,
That's a clamp.
and the clamp is here and the bolt is over here. What socket is this?
10 mm.
10 mm. Okay.
That is something you can do it at home also.
Yeah, I just didn't want to because, well, I have you, so.
Because a lot of people abroad do it at home only.
Yeah, this is just a matter of unscrewing and screwing back on. So, not really a very complicated job.
Let's leave it for a few minutes.
So we will let that settle for a few minutes, and in the meanwhile we shall open this bolt up. This is a 10 mm Allen bolt. 8 mm. And he's just going to yank it off. So the exhaust is off.
We'll be using this.
Okay. How much do you think this weighs compared to that one?
Not much difference. Maybe
Not
like
much difference.
One or two kgs maximum.
No, this is heavy, yaar.
इतना ज़्यादा नहीं है कि बिल्कुल भी out of the way.
हाँ, of course. And now we are putting the new exhaust.
I'm not using the new gasket. The old one is fine.
The old gasket is fine. Okay. I'm gonna peel this off. What do you guys think? How does it look? This is stainless steel or titanium? SS, no? So the exhaust is made out of stainless steel with the carbon fiber tip and the carbon fiber clamp. So this is a rubber stopper for the center stand, because if you'll see here, when the center stand recoils, that stopper is going to sit over here and it will prevent it from smashing into things, because when it sort of comes back very quickly, it's also probably going to hit the shaft from the other side, the way it's designed, if there's no rubber stopper. So he's trying to pry it off. And it's up. Done. What is this clip? It sort of locks it in place.
Yeah.
Let me show. All right. And now the heel plate. So now we will just wipe the exhaust down and then listen to it, because that's the whole point of an exhaust swap video. Done? Now can we start it? Okay. So at idle there is not a lot of difference in sound. So it's just slightly louder, which is a good thing, because this being a touring motorcycle, we did not want a very loud exhaust on it, because what's going to happen is after an hour or two of riding, you'll just end up with a headache. So let me, while Atul finishes this up, I'm just going to tell you the price of this exhaust. I think it's mentioned somewhere on the box. Yeah, okay. Come on, focus. Okay, so this exhaust costs about 70,000 rupees. That's the MRP. However, I did not pay MRP for it. I got a very good discount on this exhaust, because you know, this was the last remaining piece, and it was almost dead stock for Triumph. So I'm not going to tell you how much of a discount I got, because otherwise people are just going to go to Triumph and ask for the same kind of discount, which they probably won't even be able to give at this point of time. So just understand that I got a very good deal, and that's why this is on the motorcycle. So again, I'm Abhinav. This is my Tiger 1200. We just changed the exhaust on it. All courtesy this man over here, Atul. He runs Speed Monks, and now they have a new center in Mayapuri, West Delhi. Atul, what is the address of this place?
C29.
C29.
No, C2/9.
C2/9 Mayapuri. Alright, phase 2. In fact, I'm just going to go outside and show you the hoarding of the shop too. So guys, that is Atul's number over there. You get Pirelli tires, Metzeler, and a whole host of other things here. Alright, I'm going to end this video now. Thank you so much for watching. Bye bye.